We are from One Masjid Professional High School. May I know your name?
Andrea?
Andrea?
Vera.
Vivian. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Oh, may I know where are you live in Bali?
Year?
Yeah,
Oh, 2 years. May I know your favorite food in Bali?
No, what is everything? Because we arrived only yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday evening.
Do you know? Rice.
Rice.
noodles,
Noodles.
and beer.
How long you stay in Bali?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We don't speak English very well.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
We are studying this in school.
Yes.
Yeah.
10 years ago.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Grazie.
We are from One Masjid Professional High School. We have asked for your may I know your name? Australia? Australia. My name is Rita.
No, we don't live. We're on holiday. In 3 weeks.
Yeah, if you're not here, then now we can go to see the swimming pool.
What's your favorite food?
We're having a very good week. Crispy skin.
How many times have you gone in Bali? How many times have you gone in Bali?
About 12 times. Maybe 12, 15. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.